I am a mom to a toddler, and guys, the amount of the containers, steaming baskets, and the cleanup that comes with making baby food, honestly, what stopped me from doing it consistently and maybe from having a second baby. You start with good intentions, then suddenly your entire kitchen looks like a science experiment over one sweet potato. Hi everyone, I am Valentine. I am a mom of a toddler and an engineer who is reviewing tech here on YouTube. And today I am talking about a baby food maker that actually made homemade food feel realistic for me. So this is a 𝗕𝗯𝗆 NutriEase AllStage baby food maker, steamer and blender. This is a truly one-step baby food processor, so you can make with this anything you want. And of course, it is BPA-free. As a mom, I always wanted healthier meals without spending forever in the kitchen because I am also a mother mom. I'm also lazy. I don't want to work too hard just to make food for my baby, but I do want the best for my baby, right? So what I truly liked about this baby food maker is that it takes multiple steps and turns them into basically just one button to hit. And I love that. So guys, let's get started with a full review. So guys, this is the 𝗕𝗯𝗆 NutriEase AllStage baby food maker. It's a steamer and a blender in one compact machine. So you steam and puree in the same container instead of transferring hot food everywhere, you know, from container to container, from plate to another plate, to redo, have like 5 different devices just to make one piece of meal, one piece of food for your baby. So it is also very surprising that it's such a small size at only 6'7" by 6'7" by 9.2 inches measurements, so it doesn't permanently take over your counter at all, and it's so very easy to store this one pretty anywhere. It has 3 preset stages: 4 to 7 months, 8 to 9 months, and 11 months and up. So my baby is 3 years old, so she's gonna be at the last category, so it works for every age. Yes, it is grows with your baby without you constantly googling, so what is the next texture that is gonna be appropriate for my baby. There are also one-touch programs for vegetables, fruit, root vegetables, meat, fish, and stew. Load it, pick the settings, and it will handle everything else for you. The consistency control is probably my most favorite part ever. Auto or manual blending lets you go from ultra smooth puree to something with a little more texture, depending on what your baby needs and wants. It also works with an upgraded 3D floating stainless steel blades, which blend everything evenly without random chunks hiding inside. Now guys, one thing I started paying much closer attention to after becoming a mom was the materials, especially when heat is involved. Most baby food makers in this category use plastic containers, which is very common in the industry. What really stood out to me about the 𝗕𝗯𝗆 is that the bowl, the blades, and all food contact parts are all made from stainless steel. They are all BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free. So there is no plastic touching the hot food during the cooking or blending process. This is gold for your babies because plastic can contain poison, like truly bad materials that can destroy your body and cause different things that, hey, you don't even want to think about it. There is also a safety lock, so it only activates when the lid is properly secured and closed, plus a complexion reminder when it's done working for you. The steaming uses a gentle stew-style method that preserves vitamins B and C way better than a harsher direct steam. So nutrients and natural flavor stays in the food, and that's one of the most important things, guys, for a growing organism. It's the nutrients. And because I hate cleaning, honestly, I'm a lazy mom, well, most parts are dishwashable, are dishwasher safe, except the top lid. And the auto clean function blasts away residue in seconds. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, 24/7 customer service, and a lifetime technical support, which I truly appreciate for something you're using every single day. Now, one thing to note, use filtered water if you have the option, please, because tap water minerals can leave spots on the stainless steel base over time and make some harm to babies. So guys, filtered water only. I say this in every video of mine. So no more science experiments in the kitchen needed, just one machine, one container, and food that's actually done. So when heating your baby's food every day, the materials becomes part of the decision, and it's truly important to choose the right baby food maker for your kids. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Be so very sure to check out this Bare NutriEase AllStage baby food maker. I'm gonna leave you all the links down below and the description box to this video of mine, as well as any possible ways to save some money of yours, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible discounts or special links where you click on the link and you already have the discount applied. So guys, it is gonna be down below at the description box and at the comment section, so don't snooze because you might lose. So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.